Today's recipe is chicken pulao recipe. Add oil in a pan and fry 2 medium-sized onions. Add 700 g chicken and fry until color changes. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes. Add some spices like salt, chili flakes, coriander powder, zira and red chili powder. Cover the pan and cook for 7 minutes on medium to low flame. Then, after mixing the chicken, add water 3 glasses. When water boils, add chicken cube or chicken powder. Then add 2 glasses of rice, soaked for 20 minutes. Cover the lid so that rice absorbs water. At that time, most important step, add ginger chili paste 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. Let the rice steam for 12 minutes on low flame. Alhamdulillah. Delicious chicken pulao is ready. Enjoy.